zididiyelwa kilomakhiwo obonako ngawo wonke amalimi nanzi ezijujileko.
Organized criminal syndicates treated South Africa's border posts as weak points that could be exploited for the trafficking of drugs, illicit goods. That era is coming to an end.
Ungqongqotjhe wezangikhaya uLeon Schreiber uthi indundukazi yentakamizwa abazifumeneko bekungasilitjhudi kodwana kusebenza ngokuzikhandla.
He looted all the stuff, my bag, my perfumes, my watch, my carpet, my board stand, my board. Most all the stuff is gone.
This morning was it was terrible, it was worse.
Abantu bavuke nje bove escort eMtshezi kwaZulu Natal bazitapela entolo zamaphandle kwasala kumayala yala. Ibafana ikhambela phezulu ngemva kokuyokubuzana amavuko noma engameli njengoba nayidlala umdlalo wokulayelisa emsuzwaneni embalwa ukusukela nje. Zihlanganiselwe etafuleni lendaba zesiNdebele ku SABC1 ziza kuwe sachisa ngesinye sengikhuthali zakho. Ngibawani ngamukele emakhaya. Ungqongqotjhe wendaba zangikhaya uLeon Schreiber uthi intakamisa ezibizwa 1 billion yamaranda ezitholwe emkhandlu owangamele imkhawulo bekungasizi sehlakalo esenzeke ngechudu kodwa kusebenza ngokuzimisela namahlelo akhona ukuqinisekisa zokuphepha emkhawulweni. Imphathimandla zithi zithole amakilogram amakhulu alikhomba ne-13 wentakamizwa ezisetshenziswa kakhulu nakwenziwa iMandrex kanti kubotshwe amaphandle amathathu.
Libukwe njengesehlakalo esikhulukhulu emlandweni weSouth Africa sokutholakala kwentakamizwa zomhlobo wemethaqualone ezaziwa nge-APA ezibiza imali elinganiselwa ku-998.2 million yamaranda ezithola emkhandlu wengameli imkhawulo. Itruck ebeyithola intakamizwa ezi ibonwe ngobuhlakani betechnology ngaphambi kokuthi ifike lapha kuhlolwa khona impahla lapha imtshini ehlolako nayiza kubona impahla esolisako efihliweko. Ungqongqotjhe wendaba zangikhaya uLeon Schreiber uthi iGmail lisebenzisa ubuhlakani betechnology engamanye wamahlelo akhona uqinisekisa ukuphepha emkhawulweni.
This was not a coincidence. It is the product of sustained reforms that are steadily rebuilding the capability of the South African state to secure our borders and restore the rule of law.
Schreiber uthi ukusisa emahlelweni asebenza ngobuhlakani betechnology, idigital kunye nokuchugululwa kwesakheko samaziko kuyasiza ukuthuthukisa zokuphepha emasangweni wemkhawulo.
For too long, organized criminal syndicates treated South Africa's border posts as weak points that could be exploited for the trafficking of drugs, illicit goods, undocumented persons, and other forms of transnational crime. That era is coming to an end.
Emalangeni adlulileko umkhandlu wengameli imkhawulo uhlatshwe kumbi izinqhema ezilusana namaphandle kukhonjelwa ukuthi kuqiniswe zokuphepha emkhawulweni nokulandelwa komthetho. Ukommissionera womkhandlu lokuqinisekisa ukuthi kubotshwa amaphandle amathathu bekakhamba ngetruck ayithole kuye intakamizwa.
People that were actually in the truck, and in this instance we were able to obviously ascertain that the truck is a Malawian registered truck.
Schreiber uzikhombe ngomunye inqhema zenilelesi zemazweni wangaphandle ezikhukhuthe intakamizwa wathi imphathimandla ziqinisa zokuphepha namahlelo wokulusana nobulelesi emkhawulweni.
Esikhathini esingaphelisi ihliziyo kusuka nje silinde kubona ibafana nayidlala umdlalo layelisa amaSouth Africa njengoba na iya ebigrini yephasi nje. Ake silalimele umbiki ndaba wethu olapha eOrlando Amstel Arena eSoweto uMawande Mateza. Mawande ake usibeke ngamehlo womkhumbulo bona kunjani ubujamo ngapho.
Bandibulise kuni
Mawande usekhona? Mawande usesekhona ba?
Mandibulise kuni emakhaya ndikubalisele ngebafana namhlanje eliqela belikwimo ehle kakhulu namhlanje ufika kwabo apha eOrlando Stadium namhlanje abadlali bebecula becumile leyo yahluke kakhulu kwisimo bekuso ngolwesithathu before abadibane nomongameli libhengezwe iqela leBafana Bafana. Bandinibonise apha ebaleni njengoba amaqela enza amalungiselelo wokugqibela phakathi kweBafana Bafana Nicaragua. Ndiphinde ndithethe ngolwesithathu ngalomini leyo abanye abadlali bebenexhala kwaye bezibuza amagama ubizwa na uze baye kwihlabathi. Ngoku kwahlukeka
Kiba ukunqabeza mbukeli ngenithombe zethu namhlanje. Asikhambe sokuqala umbono wakho mbukeli wanamhlanje nakuyalandela.
Isela iBafana Bafana umdlalo lomuhle lonetibusiso kuthi nangabe sebahamba baphuma bayosimela ngaphandle baphakamise nayi iflegi yase South Africa nisindizani Bafana Bafana ndiza
asibanezeni support abafana bethi besiwaje la eSouth Africa bewela beyale phesheya bebe benomfutho.
Sithembile sithi halala kuyo nonke impumelelo sefikile izokudlala ukuphumelele.
Sithi halala Bafana Bafana halala.
Mina kuba ngiyalungiselela njengoba Swafi ngaphuma la eMiddelburg ngikhwelele phesheya lapha neOrlando City ngoxhasa iqembu lakithi okuyiBafana Bafana.
Ukubina kwayo iBafana Bafana lapha eOrlando namuhla yobe isineka ithemba ukuthi naphambili lapha uma sidibana neMorocco ukuthi sizoyibetha nje.
iBafana Bafana ngibona izodlala umdlalo omuhle ngoba isayona leBafana Bafana leyaseqaleni.
Sibathembile kakhulu abafana bethu siyazi bazosenza proud.
Sibafisela inhlahla singathi bangadlala kahle bebuye necup.
Umbona ngembukeli SABC ayizukuthweswa umlando wokuziphendulela ngombono wombukeli. Umengameli Cyril Ramaphosa uthi ukubuyiselwa kwembuso sitshaba inaga yabo lilungelo lezomthethosisekelo elitsho ukuthi angeke kusenzeka bona abantu bathathelwe inaga yabo ngokungemthetho. Umengameli bekakhuluma asesitlaho le Northwest lapho bekanikela khona ngama title deeds.
I hand over the title deeds. Today I am fulfilling a constitutional responsibility, and it gives me great joy that the original sin that was committed in our country when the colonialists came and deprived our people of land, we are redressing that today here. But today is not just about the law. It is much more about a family being able to say, this is our land. It sends a clear message that never again will someone's land be taken away based on the color of their skin.
Umndeni kaMengameli walokho weZambia uEdgar Lungu bawe ikhotho yezokudlulisa kwamaqala bona iphikise isiqundo esithethwe ikhotho ephakeme kwePitori othi batsho isiqundo esinikela umbuso amalungelo okungcwaba nemfiso zomfelokazi elizweni lapho umufi angumengameli walokho yakhona. Isiqundo sangohobo ika 2025 saba ngehlangotheni likaHulumende weZambia empangweni othethe isikhathi eside malungana nesidumbu sikaMengameli walokho weZambia lapho kwatholakala khona bona iZambia inelungelo thatha isidumbu sikaLungu iyosingcwaba elizweni lekhabo ngomngcwabo kaHulumende.
Umndeni kaLungu uye ekhotho okudluliselwa kwamacala ngethemba lokuthi uza kufumana amalungelo okuzingcwabela ilunga lomndeni abo. Umengameli waphambilini weZambia uEdgar Lungu uphikisana nesiqundo sekhotho ephakemeke sinikela uHulumende eZambia ilungelo.
What we ask of the Supreme Court of Appeal is to overturn that principle as bad in law, that the government has no right to override the wishes of the widow in relation to the burial of their husband.
Umndeni kaLungu uphikisana nokuthi uLungu angcwatshwe umbuso ufuna ukuzingcwabela wona ngeqadi. Nanyana kunjalo uHulumende eZambia uthi umthetho welizweleya uthi kufuze kulandelwe imfuno zomphakathi kunezomndeni begodi ikhotho ephakemeko ayikachapha esiqondweni sayo.
The High Court did not err for two reasons. Firstly, when it concerns the burial right, What the court was enjoined to do was to find the applicable lex causa. And in the case of burial right, what the court had to do was to look at the connecting factors, which it did.
Ubhubhele eSouth Africa ngomhla ka5 ngomgwengweni ka2025 ngesikhathi azokwelatshwa eSouth Africa pha wabhubha ngesikhathi lapho bekungana kuzwana kuhle phakathi kwakhe naloyo hlathululwa njengenaba lakhe lepolitiki umengameli weZambia wakhathesi uHakayinde Hichilema. Ipi leyo soliraga nokuthwelela ngisho nanyana sekazilalela ubuthongo bakhe basafuthi nje isahlulelo safunjethwe.
Nasibuya entolo.
Kamisa ka re lebo ka re lo ro fedile ka tshepa matlwaka o mmolaile bopela bana.
Ubhlungu obusele nabantwana babulawele unina baqalile umsolwa bambawe bebaguqa phasi bona angambulali kodwa bambulala kunjalo. Sisaraga nendaba lapha mbukeli kanti nazi kuphundile kwendabezi ziyatholakala ku YouTube, SABC Plus, TikTok, X na ku Facebook. Asirage nazo. Ziyanda imphakamiso zokuthi amaphandle anganancwadi akabuyele emakhabo. Amalunga we-March and March movement bewamatsha endleleni zekabeni yedorobha leMbombela eMpumalanga kanti bebaqale khulu endaweni ezaziwa kakhulu ngokuthengisa indakamizwa, ukuthengisa ngedini kunye namabhizinisi abanikazi bawo ekumaphandle. Ngaphambi kobana base imemorandum kumasipalata weMbombela bathi bafuna kuvalwe intolo ezingezamaphandle begodu kususwe namaphandle athengisa endleleni.
Kujame yonke into njengoba namalunga we-March and March movement bekaphithizela endleleni zedorobheli. Umchakalo lo usuke endleleni Anderson eyaziwa kakhulu ngokuthengisa indakamizwa, ukuthengisa ngedini kunye nezinye izinto ezingasisemthethweni. Abanikazi bentolo abamaphandle bavale intolo zabo ukwenzela ukuphepha.
Mashops amaningi nelesprite avaliwe lokusho ukuthi masipala wethu corrupt bangene njani kula mashops bawathola ama permits why bavale ngoba chaya imuntu asilune umuntu peaceful march le
ilutsha elingasebenziko nalo belikhona kilomchakalo kanti abantu abatsha balila ngokuthi amaphandle ngiwo athengisela ilutsha indakamizwa.
We have a lot of friends our ages that we came out of high school with them and suddenly they are in the streets doing drugs and so forth, so they need to go.
Abachayeli bentuthuthu ezideliver ukudla nabo bebakhona kanti balila ngokuthi inkampani abazisebenzako zibekelela phambili amaphandle kunamaSouth Africa.
Mr. D, Uber Eats, Checkers, they don't hire us as South African. They hire outside people. Like we go to 60-60. We have that issue with 70 people of drivers that are working there. We have 10 South African people that are working there. So we don't want that anymore.
Umasipalata uthembise ukuthi uzaziqalelela inlilwezi. Indaba nazisenjalo isiqhema sabantu abavukwe eMadaruma bagijima behla benyuka endleleni ze-Escort KwaZulu-Natal kuzwakala bona bazitapele entolo ekubikwa ukuthi ngezamaphandle. Amaphandle amanye esele aneminyaka ahlala begodwa namabhizinisi e-Escort alile ngokuphepha kwawo athi intolo zawo zivalwe ngekani zabe zetshelwa emini lihlabile.
I am from Pakistan but I am South African citizen. I came here like in 2003. This morning was it was terrible, it was worse, and we could not do anything besides we closed the shops.
He looted all the stuff, my bag, my perfumes, my watch, my carpet, my board stand, my board. Most all the stuff is gone. No one come even by me, see must close the shop. No one come by me, must ask for the paper, nothing, no one come. And I have the South African ID, I'm married here for 20 years. I have my children is here. And I'm operating this business here maybe 15 years.
Indaba elandelako le kungenzeka ibaphathe kumbi abanenhliziyo ezibuthakathaka. Lithulisele umhla ka-2 kuMgwengweni ukuyokufaka isibawo sebheli icala lokubulawa kwakaLebogang Phetla weminyaka ema-36 ubudala welibangeni ebayaziwa ngeValbank eMpumalanga. Kusolwa bona amapholisa athe nabakasimsebenzini ngomgqibelo ngeveke epheleleko afumana umbiko wokudunyuzwa komuntu athe nakafika lapho afumana isidumbu sikaPhetla sinamanceba okudunyuzwa. Kudunyuzwe nomunye umuntu omduna weminyaka ema-34 ubudala. Umsolwa weminyaka ema-45 ubudala ufunyenwe azifihle emtlhatlhaneni emulapo Mogale beyaziwa ngeCamelport eMpumalanga. Umsolwa uthweswe icala lokubulala nokulinga ukubulala. Usekhomere we-SABC uClass Khosana kunye nombiki indaba wethu Philmon Khosana basihlanganisele nakumbiko.
Iphenyo laphambilini lamapholisa liveza bona kube nokuhitshana ngamagama phakathi kukaNgazimbi nomsolwa. Kwathi ngemva kwalapho umsolwa wakhwatshula isigidi wadumuza uNgazimbi. Okhulumela umndeni uthi kubazwise ubuhlungu khulu ukuthi umsolwa adumuza uNgazimbi phambi kwabantwana bakhe bamqalile. Batsho kubhale ngitsho nanyana abantwana sebambawa bona angamdumuza umamabo kodwa wabhala kunjalo.
We have lost. She left 4 kids very young. Very, very young. So, and she was gunned down on front of her kids.
Unina likaLebogang Phetla uthi akunamntwana ofanele ukubona unina abulawa ngesihlungu Lebogang abulwe ngaso.
Ile ba mpitsa he ke ya kwa ka kra Lebo a robetse. Kare ke mokgoba ka kra a tonya. Ka mitsa ka Lebo ka kra lo ro fedile. Ka tshepa matlwaka o mmolaile bo pela bana nke ba a utlweletse bana ba khuname ka mangwele ba mogopela tshwarelo ba re tloela marina nke ba motlohele.
Ngelinye ilanga labantwana bebalila bamlilela batsho siba ungasibulalela umma amazwabo isililo sabo siyohlala silila njalo endlebeni sabo endlebeni zakhe umuntu lo umbulali lo.
Amalungu omphakathi ngokuhlanganyela nosomkhandlu wezombuso ohlanganyela nendaba zamasiko eMpumalanga uSpeed Mashilo kunye nomeyara weDr JS Moroka uNomsa Mthweni babambe umthandazo ukutika amakhandlela ukuhlonipha impilo kaLebogang Phetla. Usomkhandlu Mashilo uthi umndeni kufanele ufumane ubulungiswa.
Sithokozela amapholisa ukuthi msinyane balibophe lesigebengwa. Sinethemba ukuthi umthetho uzathatha ingalo yawo.
uLebogang uyokuphekelela kubuyisa emkhulu ngosondo. Indabeni ze-SABC ubikelwe nguPhilmon Khosana ngiseJohannesburg.
I-African Development Bank Group ibuke iRepublic of Congo ngokunikela ilungelo lokungena ngaphandle kwevisa ebantwini beAfrika abanamapassport enarheni le. Umengameli uDenis Sassou Nguesso wenze isimemezelo lesi eBrazzaville. Usekhomere we-SABC obuye abe mbiki indaba uThabo Mthweni usekhongo njengoba nasikhuluma nje usihlanganisele nakumbiko.
iRepublic of Congo ijoyine ezinye inarha ezivule iminyango yazo ebantwini beAfrika abanamapassport ukungena ngaphandle kwevisa enarheni le ukuthoma ngomnyaka ka-2027. Isimemezelo lesi sisekelwe khulu eCongo kutsho umjameli u-AFDB esiphandeni.
Only 28.2% of Africans travel within the continent is visa-free. At the back of that is the blocking of the dream of the African. At the back of that is stopping the possibility of expanding the prospects of socioeconomic transformation. And so we're really happy about this because when you think about it, trade in goods, the goods don't move on their own. They need people. When you think about services, the services are not self-executing. They move with the providers of the services. The ideas must fertilize and move across the continent.
Kodwana umukhwa wokwala bona kukhanjwe simahla usabonakala kwezinye inarha zeAfrika.
We expect many countries to be able to do that because that's the starting point really to drive free movement of people. And I think ECOWAS on the West, they've done that and they've showed us that it can be done with IDs. We don't even need passports to be able to do that.
The African Union Commission iyagandelela bona kuqhakathekile ukuvulela ukukhamba simahla eAfrika.
We really appreciate the fact that Your Excellency have led by example yesterday in announcing the suppression of visa for African citizens.
Nokuchukuchukuluka kobujamo bezulu kusesemraro emnothweni weAfrika.
Do we have the resources to help Africa to respond rapidly and making sure that no one is left behind when it comes to disaster happening in the continent? So I think the relevancy to the African needs is important.
Kwenzeka konke lokhu nje isilinganiso sokuhluma kwamabubulo sebhanka le sitshengisa bona iMorocco idlula iSouth Africa kwezamabubulo nanyana kunjalo iSouth Africa kuseseyinaga enamandla kwezomnotho enahakazini yeAfrika. Nginguthabo Mthweni ngiseCongo eBrazzaville.
Kezemali randa linzinzile nalenganiswa nezinye imali ezikulu. Kesembi yakhomba kulandela indaba zesulu. Libe nepelaveke emnandi. Umusa.